Hi everyone, my name is Rajat. I am one of the co-founders of Vizuara. Today I am incredibly excited to announce the launch of Industry RAG Bootcamp. We have been planning this bootcamp for a lot of months, and today we are fully prepared and very excited to announce the launch. Most of the content on RAG on the internet right now is 5-minute or 10-minute videos which teach you to build a chatbot. There is very few content which teaches you how to build production level RAG systems. Our bootcamp plans to change that. We will have 10 hours of content which will be split into 3 broad parts. First, we will teach you how to code a RAG based system completely from scratch. We will teach you file parsing, chunking strategies, embedding strategies, retrieval and generation. Secondly, we will convert this RAG system into production level. We will connect it with the front end, we will connect it with the backend service and build a production level RAG chatbot which we have built for industries. And third and most important, we will also integrate advanced techniques into this workshop which have been in a lot of demand, such as agentic RAG and graph based RAG. So overall, it will be one 10-hour massive bootcamp in which you will completely master RAG techniques. You will be able to build production level RAG applications, RAG chatbots from scratch, which are at an industry level.
And we are very excited to introduce your instructor who will conduct the live sessions, Mr. Tushar Kumar. He is an expert senior software engineer who worked at Amazon, who also had work experience in top companies like Goldman Sachs, and who is also an alumni of University of Rochester. So Tushar will be conducting the sessions.
Hi guys, I'm Tushar and I'll be the one conducting this bootcamp, and I'm really excited to teach you industry level RAG techniques that you can make use in production. So see you then.